This is a video about how to do the scissors cut. It's a one-handed cut and looks like this. So basically you get a portion of the cards and you cut them. So you hold the deck in this elevated position. You use your pinky and your pointing finger to hold the whole thing. You can even release the other fingers. And you are going to grab this corner of the cards here with your thumb, and then use your pointing finger as a pivot point, and then finish the cut. So you go like this, and at the very end, as you can see, my pointing finger is contacting both parts, and at the end I release this portion and hold it with my pinky and the other supporting fingers, and then I can finish the cut. So that's it, pretty much, the scissors cut. It's a nice move to play around with. Well, there is another version of this cut that you grab the deck like this. I call this actually the Master Yoda grip, because you basically use these three fingers to hold the deck, and you then turn the deck upside down and rest your remaining fingers in this side, and then you can go with your thumb and use your pointing finger again as a pivot point, and then finish the cut like this. So for the scissors cut, you actually don't rotate the cards, and by this cut you actually rotate them 180 degrees. Master Yoda, and then these two fingers to the long side. It is also an elevated position, and then cut the deck. So that's it, pretty much. See you all next time.